Number 1 is introduction, and number 2 is top paying IT certs. Number 3 is Microsoft and AWS demo test. Number 4, how to get IT certified. Okay, so to begin with, I'd like to make a brief introduction of our company, SPOTO. SPOTO was founded in 2003. SPOTO specializes in IT certification and provides research pass material and practice tests. Over the past 19 years, SPOTO has helped 100,000 candidates achieve their goals and get their PMP certification, and forest 2,200 plus CCI holders in the world. And look at this picture. The red flag means that we have candidates pass their exam at their exam center. Wow, that's really amazing. Our candidates are from all over the world, and SPOTO is a leading IT online learning platform, connecting thousands of students to the skills they need to succeed. SPOTO, as of December 2022, we serves in more than 152 countries and regions. We launched over $300, and we already helped 550,000 learners achieve their IT certification. And the most showing up thing is that we have 2,200 plus CCI holders are from SPOTO. In other words, there are 10% CCI holders are SPOTO learners. And our instructors, they are the most experienced professional in the IT industry and have spent decades carefully creating our learning material with your learning journey in mind. And SPOTO has been expanding the product line from Cisco to AWS, from PMI to ITIL, from ISC to ISACA, covering networking, project management, cybersecurity, and cloud. And we have received many highly recommended in reviews. For example, I had my doubts about SPOTO. I took the test after receiving my dumb question. For the first time, I passed. Everyone should use their method. Excellent study material and resources. Excellent study material and resources to become PMP certified. I highly recommended them for your PMP needs. Okay, now let's move to part 2, top paying IT certs. Here are 10 best IT certs for high paying jobs in 2022. Number 1 is Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect, $175,761. Number 2, AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, $149,448. Number 3, CISM Certified Information Security Manager, $148,622, and CRISC is $146,480. For PMP is $143,493. For CISSP is $141,452. CISA is $132,278. AWS is $131,465. Number 9, ITIL Foundation is $129,402. Number 10, AWS Certified Azure Fundamental, $126,653. Okay, so best IT certification 2022 is including project management, including PMP, ITIL, and cloud computing, and cyber security. Now let's move to our test part. Okay, so let's try AZ900 test together. Are you ready? If you are ready, please type 1 in our comment zone. Let's do a test together. So gifts for winners who answer all questions correctly correctly. Now let's move to question 1. Where does Android monitor store event data? Now I will give you 30 seconds. Please leave your comment in our comment zone, okay? Leave your comment in our comment zone. A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct one? Please leave your comment in our comment zone. Okay, so time's up. Let's review the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is B. It's B. Now let's move to question 2. What is the most server failure from which an Android availability zone can be used to protect access to Android service? Okay, I will give you 30 seconds and you can think about it and leave your comment in our comment zone. For this question, which one is the correct one? A, B, C, D. Please leave your comment in our comment zone. Okay, now let's review the correct answer. It's D. Okay, an Android data center failure. Now let's move to question 3. For this question, you will have 30 seconds to think about it. Please leave your comment in our comment zone. What should you recommend? Okay, so there are 4 options. Please choose one in our comment zone. Okay, I see some of you choose A and some of you choose C. Let's review. Okay, so the correct answer is B. It's B. Now let's move to next question. For this question, I will give you 30 seconds too. So think about it and leave your comment in our comment zone. A, high availability. B, high latency. C, elasticity. And D, load balancing. Okay, so for this question, please leave your comment in our comment zone and let's check the answer together, okay? Now time's up. Okay, so the correct answer is C. Congratulations for you guys. Wow, you did a great job. See your turn in the career guide. Wow, good job. Now let's move to question 5. You plan to map a network drive for several computers that run Windows 10 to Android storage. You need to create a storage solution in Android for the planned mapped drive. What should you create? Okay, so for this question, I will give you 30 seconds. Ready, go. Okay, so for this question, A, B, C, D, which one is the correct one? Okay, now let's review the correct answer. Oh, the correct answer is C. It's C. So does anyone correct all questions correctly for AZ900? If yes, please contact our admin. Okay, we will give you gifts for winners who correctly answer 5 questions correctly. Now let's move to AZ104 test together. Okay, so here are also some gifts for winners who answer 5 questions correctly. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, okay, if you are ready, please type 1 in our comment zone. Okay, please type 1 in our comment zone. Now let's move to question 1. Now, Okay, so for this question, there are 4 options. A. Virtual machine. B. Angel log analytic workplace. And C. Virtual machine extension. D. Metric alert. Okay, so please leave your comment. Now, okay, so the correct answer is B. It's B. Angel log analytic workspace. Okay, now let's move to question 2. Okay, it's okay. We have more chances. Okay, in our live sale. So please keep going. For this question, leave your comment in our comment zone. Oh, for this question, I see some of you choose A and some of you choose D. Oh, some of you choose B. Now let's review the correct answer together. Okay, so which one is the correct one? Which one is the correct one? Okay, so the correct one is B. It's B. Wow, keep going. Congratulations to Jacob. Wow, did a great job. Now, question 3. I also give you 30 seconds. Please leave your comment in our comment zone. Who answer 5 questions correctly will have the opportunity to get our gifts, okay? For this question, which one is the correct one? Please, let's review the answer together. Okay, so the correct answer is A. It's A. Congratulations to you guys. Okay, now let's move to question 4. Okay, so think about it. 30 seconds. And leave your comment in our comment zone. All of our questions are 100% from actual exams, so test yourself together, okay? So A, B, C, D. Please leave your comment you think is right, okay? I see some of you choose D, some of you choose A, and some of you choose C. Now let's review the correct answer. Okay, so for this question, the correct answer is A. From the user's braid, modify the external collaboration settings. Wow! Now let's move to question 5. Ready? Go! Leave your comment in our comment zone. Okay, so which one is the correct one? Please leave your comment in our comment zone. For this question, the correct one is A. It's A. Configure user level credentials for FTPS. Okay, so does anyone answer 5 questions correctly? Okay, our admin will contact you. Okay, so now let's try another part about DVA-C01 test together. Are you ready? Please type 2 in our comment zone if you are ready. So there are also some gifts for winners who answer 5 questions correctly. Now, ready, go. Let's move to question 1. Which of the following is chosen as the default region when making an API call with AWS SDK? Wow, so for this question, which one is the correct one? Please leave your comment in our comment zone, guys. Leave your comment in our comment zone. So for this question, the correct one is C. Okay, so did you answer correctly? Wow, congratulations. Now let's move to question 2. Okay, now question 2. For this question, so which option you think is right? Please leave your comment in our comment zone. Let's have a check together after 30 seconds, okay? Okay, I see most of you choose B and C. Now let's check the correct one. Now the correct one is, wow, it's C. Congratulations. Most of you did a great job and keep going, okay? Now let's move to question 3. Ready, go. Okay, so for this question, the correct answer is, oh, it's C. Wow, it's C. Did you do a good job or not? It's okay. Let's keep going. Now let's move to question 4. Okay, so for this question, you also have 30 seconds to think about it. So please leave your comment in our comment zone and let's test yourself together. Okay, so all of the questions are from actual exams, so it's really useful for you guys who want to get DBA C01 certified, okay? So for this question, okay, I see most of you choose C. Now let's review the correct answer. Is C or not? Uh-oh, so the correct answer is B. It's okay. Now let's move to the last question. Okay, so for this question, there are 4 options. A. VPN logs. B. BGP logs. C. VPC flow logs. And D. AWS Cloud Trail logs. Okay, so leave your comment in our comment zone. Which one is the correct one? Okay, so the correct one is C, VPC flow logs. Now let's move to our DOP C01 test together. Are you ready? Please type DOP C01 in our comment zone if you are ready. Okay, wow. This question has some difficulty to read, right? But it's okay. I trust you guys. Ready, go. So for this question, you just choose one in our comment zone. Just choose one in our comment zone. I see some of you choose A and some of you choose B, right? Does anyone has any other answers? You can leave your comment in our comment zone. Okay, time's up. Let's review the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Wow, the correct answer is C. Congratulations for you guys who answered correctly. Now let's move to question 2. Also 30 seconds. Okay, so the career guide is number 1. Okay, so he choose C. Okay, Celia Chen choose A. Okay, Adeline choose D. Oh, you can choose C. Okay, now let's see which one is the correct one. Now let's review the correct answer together. Ta-da! Okay, so the correct one is B. It's B. Congratulations for you guys who answered correctly. Now let's move to question 3. Ready, go. Okay, so for this question, which one is the correct one? please leave your comment in our comment zone. The correct one is C. Okay, it's C. Now let's move to question 4. Question 4, let's do it together. Okay, so all of our test questions are 100% from actual exams. So if you want to get DOP C01 certified, please test yourself right now. Okay, so it will be very useful for you guys. So leave your comment in our comment zone. Okay, now let's review. The correct answer is A. It's A. Congratulations. Now let's move to the last one for this question. So how can this requirement be met at the lowest cost? So how can for this question, the correct one is C. It's C. Wow, congratulations. Okay, so test part is over now. It's over now. So anybody did all questions well in our live sale? If yes, please leave your comment and our admin will contact you to give you our gifts for those who answer question correctly. Wow, that's really amazing. Now let's move to the last part, is how to get IT certified. As we know, cloud and container technology skills are most in demand by hiring manager, and 46 cloud and container technology of highest importance to open sources hiring manager in 2022. So here are some benefits if you can get cloud certified. Number one is cloud professional are in a high demand. Why should we get cloud certified? So it's a high demand. And number two, cloud professional are in a highly paid. Yes. And number three, cloud certification could help you land a job, and 87% increase over 3 years. And as we know, AWS certification, there are 4 levels of it. Okay, so number one is fundamental and associate and professional and specialty. For our associate, SAA C02, so it validates the ability to design and implement distribute assistance on AWS. For our SOA C02, so it's demonstrate experience deploying, managing, and operating workloads on AWS. For our DVA C01, so it validates the ability to write and deploy cloud-based applications. For our AWS Associate SAA C03, privacy of surprise. Okay, so for our SAA C03, it's only privacy service first. So we guarantee 100% pass and no regular study and fast pass in first try. The original price is $250, but in today's live sale, guys, okay, so it's a huge deal. Okay, so you can check our comment zone and guess what price you can get in today's live sale. Okay, you can check our comment zone and have a check. Okay, so the right part is our candidate's latest passing report about SAA C03 by Prophecy Service. So hurry up to join us. It's a limited offer. Don't miss this great opportunity. So why choose SPOTO? What can SPOTO offer you? So number one is 100% pass verified questions and answers, refresh and validates exam questions and answers. Number two, 7 days pass with minimum time, narrow the scope of exam count. Number three, 24/7 professional support. Professional tutor 1-1 service, instant messenger anytime, anywhere. Here are 3 steps to get certified. Number 1, payment. Number 2, practice. Number 3, pass. That's really easy, right? Maybe you are thinking how to order. It's simple too. Just check the link in our comment zone. Step 1, register your information in our website. Step 2, you can click buy now. And step 3, you can choose PayPal or OnPay to complete your checkout. Okay, so next level is our professional. It's including SAP C01. So it validates the ability to design, deploy, and evaluate application on AWS within diverse, complex requirements. And DOP C01 professional validates the ability to automate the testing and the deployments of AWS infrastructure and applications. For our AWS professional live sale price, okay, for our DOP C01 SAP C01 dumps, there are 300 Q&As. The original price is $400, but in today's live sale, okay, so what price can you guess? Okay, some of you guessed $300. You can click the link and check the price in today's live sale. Okay, it's a huge deal. For our CLF C01 exam service, the original price is $400, and in today's live sale price, you can guess what price can you get in today's live sale? Okay, some of you guess $350. I think it's lower than this price, so please check out comment zone and order now. It's a huge deal. Don't miss this great opportunity. So for this one, maybe some of you are looking for Microsoft certification, right? We also offer it. So the number 1 is our Azure practice test price is including AZ500. There are 200 Q&As. The original price is $250, but in today's live sale it's only okay. You can check out comment zone and get the big surprise for you guys. For our AZ104 and SAPC01 is only 300 Q&As and 24/7 service support and 100% pass guarantee. So you can check the comment zone and get the latest price in today's live sale. It's a huge deal, okay? For our Android 365, okay, there are nearly 200 Q&As and 100% pass. It's including MS900, MS100, MD101, and so on. The original price is $250, but in today's live sale, you can get it. Guess what price? Can you guess in today's live sale? Okay, so check out comment zone and check now. Here are 3 steps to get certified. Number 1, payment. Number 2, practice. Number 3, pass. That's very easy, right? And how to order? Let me tell you again, okay? So step 1, register. Register in our website first. Step 2, you can click buy now. Step 3, pay. Okay, pay. You can choose PayPal, OnPay, or Western Union to complete your checkout. Here's some top Q&As. I will explain one by one for you guys. Number 1, can I pass the IT exam with Q&As only? The answer is yes, because our dumps are 100% from actual exam. If you can make sure you can study all questions where in our dump, let you will pass the exam on first try. Okay, number 2, how can I know my product is the latest? Okay, so no worry about that, because our products always the latest. That's why we have candidates pass exam every day. Number 3, what is the DAM format? The DAM format is VCE. It's very similar to real exam, so it can make you feel in the actual exam and practice you and make you practice better. Number 4, can I buy now and start the service later? Sure, absolutely. So here are some SPOTO dump service rules. Number 1, the written dumps format is VCE. It is similar to exam format. Number 2, we provide 8 days to access written dumps. Number 3, the written dumps on remote server. Our remote servers offer 24/7 access for study or review. Number 4, flexible study. You can buy now with the lowest price and get study whenever you want. Number 5, 1+1 WhatsApp service group after payment. Number 6, if list dumps has any changes during your service, we will extend your service and provide you with the latest dumps. Number 7, if this dump is updating within your service time, we will provide the latest dump to you. Okay, so today's live sale is over now. If you have any question or confusion, you can join our study group to get more information and get more free study materials. I'm Christine. Join us today and get IT certified tomorrow. Thanks for joining today. See you next time. Bye.